Brains into beauty, Sabrina.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Jake Bellamy, the Property Manager Pro, aka Worldwide, aka America's Property Manager. We're here with Radford Homes' newest sale here at 1205 King Street. We're closing on this one. We're gonna put a fancy, smancy remodel on this. Come walk with me, let's talk. We got a roof, it's going off. We're gonna take the roof off. We're gonna take the end of the building. We're gonna add it, raise it up, give it a nice, pretty front on here. We're gonna put all new sides on it. It's gonna get new stucco. Down here on the end, we're getting AC. We're gonna cut open the sides and top. We're gonna come in with two brand new AC systems. Slide them on in there. We're gonna put two new air handlers out here. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be colder than cold. It's gonna be the most comfortable AC in town. Keep up with your chicken legs. What we got here is a double lot. Yeah, I said it, a double lot. We're gonna build a whole new duplex on this back side of this lot. We're gonna make it beautiful. We're gonna take one building, we're gonna turn it into two. What we got here is the back of the building. We're gonna knock the windows out. We're gonna clean it out. We're gonna bring the back of the building all the way out. We're gonna put a beautiful laundry room right here. Laundry room 1, laundry room 2. It's gonna be amazing. Let's walk the back side. Along with my roof, along with my soffit, that's gotta go. We got the junk boys here, cleaning it up, getting all the junk out of here so we can start remodeling. We're gonna make this beautiful. We come around this side, we're gonna close this in. We're gonna open it up, clear it up, give it a nice corbel on the end. We're gonna get rid of that nasty old stucco. We're gonna put some beautiful stucco. We're gonna get rid of these ugly, dated sides, beautiful stucco all the way up and down with a beautiful paint color. AC, gone. Window AC, we're taking them out. We're gonna rip them all out. What is that, an old hotel unit? This ain't a hotel. Let's go inside and take a tour.
Because I got to go hard on this. So Jake, are you running the Landlord Academy?
We are. This year, for 2020, people have asked for it. They said, Jake, you teaching people how to invest. Why don't you teach me how to invest? So I said, so I'm opening the Lakeland Landlord Academy. Check us out on Facebook on the Lakeland Landlord Academy. We're gonna be holding 3 tiers of classes. We have Introduction to Investment, so people that are first-time investors, want to get into investing, don't know where to start, we'll teach you. The real deal, not the crap you see on TV, not the stuff that's selling in Orlando or Tampa. Other people are going to come up, they're going to know what to do, where to go, how to invest in real estate. So that's why we're starting the Landlord Academy. Classes we got scheduled for this start the end of March. So check us out, like us on Facebook. I post lots of content on there every week about how to invest, how to learn how to invest, proper ways to invest, things to do when owning rental properties. Don't believe that crap you see on TV. Believe the real stuff right here in Polk County. Come on in here, let's check them out. Now, making everything beautiful in here. This old rotten oven has got to go. It's rusty, it's dirty. We're gonna put the Radford touch on it. It's getting a nice oven, it's gonna be clean, it's gonna be beautiful. These boys here putting in the real work today. I'm all talk, they're all work.
Amen. And on Sunday, we got the Free Will Baptist Church.
Free Will Baptist Church on Sunday. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh the oven away. All right, let's go. Follow them outside. Now this is where we're gonna clear it out and build a beautiful laundry room. We got an old water heater here. We got 2 of them in here. Who puts 2 water heaters side by side? We're gonna move one over to the other side. We're gonna move one back over there. We're gonna put a washer and dryer hookup outside here. Have a beautiful private laundry room for each unit. Flip my flag. Wind's got it. Look at that. That's America right there, boy. Woo!